A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cherry. D is for date. E is for egg fruit. F is for fig. G is for grapes. H is for honeydew melon. I is for ice apple. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. L is for lychee. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. P is for pineapple. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vanilla. W is for watermelon. X is for eximenia. Y is for yumberry. Z is for ziziphus jujube.